Good day, folks in the house. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful day that the Lord has blessed for us to maximize and take advantage of all that happened to us. I will want to share this video or do this video record titled Never Allow an Opportunity to Pass By. Never take advantage of this opportunity. Never allow opportunity to pass by. Take advantage of this privilege. Maximize your opportunity. What opportunity are we to maximize? Now, I'm taking us back to the back office of the Tron Crypto account. If you look at this back office of this Tron Crypto account, it was launched barely 1 week ago. This is a typical back office of a Tron Crypto account. Already, the membership is counting over 5 to 10,000 members already. But as of now, as of now, this account that we are displaying now has earned in TC1 50 Tron, has cycled out 3 times. That is what you are seeing there. Under 100 Tron, this account has cycled out twice. Under 200 Tron, this account has cycled out 2 times. Cycling out means that under 50 Tron, he bought that slot with 50 Tron, and he has earned 50 Tron there twice. That is, he has earned 50 Tron there 2 times 3, 6 times. He has earned 50 Tron there 6 times. If you now times 6 times 50, 6 times 50, it means that he has earned 300. He has earned 300 Tron from what a slot that he bought with 50 Tron in less than 1 week from the launch of the program. If you equally look at slot 100 Tron, he bought that slot, which is slot 2, with 100 Tron, and he has earned 100 Tron there 2 times. He has earned 100 Tron there twice. That is, he has cycled out each cycling once. He has done that cycling twice. So he has earned 400 Tron. 400 in 2 places. He has earned it there under 1 week. If you come to slot 3, which is 200 Tron, he bought that slot with 200 Tron, and he has earned 200 Tron there 5 times. And if you come to slot 400, he bought slot 400 with 400 Tron, and he has earned 400 Tron once in that slot. This is just for TC1 under 1 week. Then when you come to slot 800 Tron, which is slot 5, he bought that slot with 800 Tron, and he has already earned 800 Tron from that slot. Then he has bought slot 6, which is 1,600 Tron, and he has already earned 1,600 Tron. Friends, you will see that this man is really a very, very calculative and intelligent investor, because all he has invested in this particular program of Tron Crypto, he has earned it over 300 times, and yet look at the beginning. He is just at the beginning of the program, under 1 week of this program being launched, and he has more to earn if he buy more packages. That is why I titled this program, Never You Allow an Opportunity to Pass You By. Never you allow an opportunity to pass you by. This is an opportunity people missed 10 years ago at the introduction of the Bitcoin. Today, the Bitcoin has now become what many of us cannot afford because of the price. So when you go up again to TC2, you see that in TC2, this calculated investor has equally made such remark. In TC2, he has cycled out 6 times in 50 Tron. In second slot in TC2, he has even earned more because he has earned 7 times over there in second slot of TC2. In the third slot of TC2, which is 200 Tron, he has earned 3 times there. In the fourth slot in TC2, he has earned once there. In the other slot, which is the fifth slot, 800 Tron, he has earned once there. Then the 1600 Tron, the 1600 Tron in the sixth slot of TC2, he has just paid his upper and he will start earning right now. So, my brother, you see that what is happening here is catastrophic, is phenomenal. We have never seen it like this. Added to this, our telegram name on this program is what we can go to the telegram and find out. And the name is easy to locate, which is 21st Century Crypto Leaders. You can go to your telegram and type it, 21st Century Crypto Leaders. This group is this is our telegram name, and on the telegram you can locate us with this name, 21st Century Crypto Leaders. What 21st Century Crypto Leaders has added that will make you not to waste an opportunity is very, very simple. And what is it? That you can earn this money without you having referral. You can make up to 1 million Tron, 2 million Tron, 100,000 Tron in less than 1 week. You can earn 100,000 Tron, 1 million Tron in less than a month. You can earn 100,000 Tron in less than a week without referring. 21st Century Crypto Leaders has a very, very viable strategy. I will now take us straight to our telegram to see how our strategy are being implemented and what result is given. Our strategy is simple. Before now, what the rule says is once you register, you get a minimum of 3 referrals. That will guarantee your earning. But 21st Century Crypto Leaders have come up with a strategy which defy this burdensome referring process. What it means is that every member that joins this our telegram room, they are obliged to add up a minimum of 100 persons from their contact room, from their phone, from their Android to this our telegram room. Once that is done, that guarantees you that the next referral that will be coming up or the next sign up that will be coming up on this group will ordinarily belong to you. You will be the next person to be attended to. For instance, on this our telegram chat list now, you will see that Madam Teresa Okeke has added 100 plus. Mr. Lawrence has added 100 persons to this telegram room. So Madam Teresa Okeke and Mr. Lawrence has attained what we call minimum compliance level. So even if you have 100 members, you will not be attended to before these two persons. These two persons have attained the minimum compliance level. If you equally look down again, you will see that even these persons that we say has attained the minimum compliance level, even their phone numbers are equally displayed so that you can call them and find out from them. Then Mr. Nkecho, Mr. Adechabo, and Mr. Akin, their position on this list is not yet confirmed. It's not yet guaranteed because Mr. Nkecho has added 65 persons, Mr. Adechabo has added 61 persons, and Mr. Akim has added 28 persons. So the next person to add up 100 persons now can take the position of the third person, because Mr. Nkecho, who is currently occupying the third position, has not reached the minimum compliance level. He is just at 65. So once you get to 100 persons that you have added up from your Telegram contact to this our Telegram chat room, the next thing that the team, the 21st century leaders will do for you is to make sure that the next referral, the next sign up from this group goes to your add-up, goes to be added onto you. So also the team is building. The system is so awesome, and people are earning and upgrading massively like never before. You see that we have the 21st century has now removed the burden of looking for who to add up, who to refer from you, and it is now the team who does that. My brother, my sister, nobody embraces this strategy without a testimony. Even those you have their numbers here, contact them. They will give you their own testimony. For the sake of time, we will not be able to give the whole testimony. But however, their numbers are there for you to contact them and get their testimonies from them. Thank you. See you in the chat room. Remain blessed. Our Telegram name or our Telegram contact again remains 21st Century Crypto Leaders. Have a nice time. See you in the chat room.